how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your MacBook. So it's very simple. Open your iPhone. I'm gonna screen record, and here we want to open settings, go to general and find the AirPlay and continuity, and make sure the continuity camera option is turned on. So simply enable this option. Once it's done, you can go back to your home screen, open your control center and make sure the airdrop is turned on. Now I'm gonna turn off the screen recording. I'm back to my MacBook, and all you have to do is to open your FaceTime, for example. So now my MacBook is using my MacBook's webcam. If you want to change it to your iPhone, in your menu bar, click on Video. And here you will see the camera and choose the airdrop camera, which will be your iPhone. So now I'm holding my phone and it's used as a webcam. For example, when I'm gonna use FaceTime, or you can use it while using Zoom, etc. Also WhatsApp and many apps. So this was how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.